Guys, welcome to Digit, and this is going to be an overview video of the boAt Rockerz 510 wireless headset. And this is everything that you get in the packaging. You can see they offer a little brochure with all the other boAt products that are selling at the moment, little leaflet stating the warranty period, as well as details on how you can reach boAt in order to claim your warranty. We'll take these two and keep it to the side. Then you have a micro USB cable. This is used to charge the device. You can see this is roughly 2 feet in length. We'll keep this to the side as well. And the other cable they provide, the contacts happen to be gold plated as well, so that's important for reducing corrosion. It's a TRS, so there's no microphone connect. And as we mentioned previously, it's flat, so there's not going to be much dangling. Now, opening up the manual, you can see the spec sheet. It says that this uses dynamic drivers, which are 50 millimeters. That's always good, which means they should be capable of recreating or reproducing practically most of the audio spectrum. The build is primarily plastic. It's very lightweight as well. It has adjustable headband, and we don't see a metallic band for additional structure rigidity. On the inside, we do see a little wire running in the center of the band. That's for interconnectivity for the two headsets or two ear cups. But for all we know, there could actually be a strip of metal on the inside, because this is completely plastic. There could be something on the inside, but we are uncertain. It does flex to a certain extent on the bottom surface of the headband. You have a little bit of foam. This is not too hard, not too soft, somewhere in the middle. It seems like memory foam. It's also covered with leather, plastic leather, protein leather, call it what you may. On the ear cups, we see a little bit of fabric on the inside that's protecting the drivers. On top you have the cups themselves with cushion padding use. Now the cups aren't exactly huge, so these will not fit almost everyone properly, as in your ears will not go inside. So this will rest on top of your ears for practically almost everyone, and that might not be comfortable for certain people for extended periods of time. Coming to the controls, all of them are present on the right ear cup. You have the seek buttons, the volume increase and reduce. Then on this side you have the play pause button, as well as but it's the same button for answering calls as well. Now, right underneath the button there's a little hole. This is where you can see the microphone is present. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. It's very small, and we don't see anything on the other headset. However, the cabling, that is the audio jack, goes into the left ear cup. The charging cable goes into the right ear cup. On top of that, they've given a little LED indicator, so this will help you trying to pair this to a device. Pairing instructions are straightforward. In order to connect the Bluetooth headphone, you just need to power it on and long press the power button for about 3 seconds till you hear a beep, and then you can start pairing it. And is there anything else we'd like to point out? Nope. So that's about it. This was a brief overview of the boAt Rockerz 510. Thank you for watching.